Puppies are born blind, deaf, and toothless. Kittens sleep up to 18 hours a day to grow strong. Baby bunnies are called kittens, just like baby cats. Fox cubs are born with dark fur that turns reddish as they grow. Bear cubs stay with their mom for up to 3 years. Baby koalas ride in their mom's pouch for 6 months. Penguin chicks are kept warm on their parents' feet. Lion cubs start roaring at about 1 year old. Baby giraffes can stand and walk within an hour after birth. A panda baby is 900 times smaller than its mother at birth. Whale calves drink nearly 200 liters of milk daily. Chicks can communicate with their mother before they hatch. Foals can run just a few hours after being born. Ducklings can swim just a few hours after hatching. Cheetah cubs have a long silver mane on their back to help them blend in and look like honey badgers, which scares predators away.